Center of town here. So what we'll do is we'll find a nice parking spot and then we'll explore.
Good morning, everybody. Today it is the third day in Los Angeles and we are heading for breakfast. We are going to Earth Cafe because I've heard amazing things about it. They have one in Las Vegas and I've been meaning to try for the longest time, but they do have one in Los Angeles in Beverly Hills. So we're gonna go there right now. Let's go.
One plate, one utensil.
What did you order? What is that? He wanted to say something. You want to say something for the vlog?
No, nothing. Welcome, guys. We are at
Santa Monica Pier. now we are in Venice. Gonna walk around. We put down our name for the Great White brunch spot, so we're gonna go there later. More gingery than this. You should really search up how much it is. All the goodies that we got.
No. You suck at everything.
Laundry stuff. We got some Dunkin' Donuts gift card. We had to go to Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh my
We gotta use these.
Wait, where'd you get that?
Huh? And you got a binder. Like, literally, Mel got a freaking binder.
It's my favorite color.
Are you gonna bring it back?
Yeah.
What are you gonna, you know?
I'm gonna use it.
Yeah. Like, yo. Like, we literally got some Celsius. We got like 4 of these. We also got some Zen water right here. And then we also got these Evolve plant-based protein shakes. They were just handing out these things for free, and we obviously each got one. And we also got a bunch of like pistachios. We love this stuff, so this is great. And then we also got 20% to Herschel's. So we got this coupon right here. Got some Dunkin', like literally we got $5 each to Dunkin' Donuts. So we got 5 of these. Like, look at that. And then what else? We also, because we got that bag to hold our stuff, like the tote bag, we also got, let me organize this. We also got some like stuff that we're never gonna use. Like Mel got some paintbrushes, I got some glitter pack, which what the hell am I gonna do with glitter? And then Mel got a binder. But yeah, that's pretty much what it is. Oh, and then my brothers, they won a football, like a Nerf football, and this like Nerf Vortex Arrow Howler thing. So we're just gonna bring this home. That's crazy. But yeah, that's the haul. I know, right? And then we I totally forgot to share. We also got this Best Day Brewing Yuzu Ginger Shandy non-alcoholic beer right here, which I'm kind of excited to try, honestly. Wow, it's like we're living here for a whole week. My real estate investment partner right now.
Hey everyone, I've decided to branch out. I am a realtor now in California. So I'm gonna be showing her some properties out here.
We're just roaming around the neighborhood, and there's an open house that's from 3 to 5. Right now it's around 2:50, and we're gonna go check it out because, you know.
This is my client from China. She doesn't speak a lick of English. She's very wealthy. She's buying this all cash.
Easy. Just did some shopping, and it's officially dinner time, so we are going to this Brazilian steakhouse called Fogo de Chao, and I think it's a chained restaurant, so they have like several locations around the world. And Mil has never tried Brazilian steakhouses before, so it's gonna be a new thing for him. I don't know how much I can eat, but I'm excited. Are y'all excited? Mel, are you excited?
Yeah, so excited.
Yeah, so we're gonna head to dinner now. You know, that's nice. What is the other one? Chicken. Okay, I'll just have beef, please. Thank you. Thank you. It is our last day in Los Angeles and it is Canada Day. So happy Canada Day, everybody. We are going to Rodeo Drive later for lunch and we're just gonna roam around that area since we haven't been yet. And we're just probably gonna head to the airport a little bit earlier today because the traffic in LA is really bad and we just don't want to be stuck in that traffic. So it's gonna be a really chill day. We're just gonna enjoy the rest of the time here and we're back to Canada.